picked up the WS642RG WANDVAC thinking it would be another flimsy cordless, but it surprised me. It weighs almost nothing, yet the suction handles cat hair and bird seed on hardwood and tile. The self-cleaning roller is neat, and the automatic emptying means a quick one sweep and done. I use it in a small 3-room apartment with rugs, and it glides between surfaces without grabbing fabric. I almost pressed the wrong button and dumped debris once, so a heads up there. The run time is about 15 to 20 minutes, which is fine for quick cleans. It stands up on its own and charges smoothly.